Microsoft 365 versus Microsoft Office. What's the difference? Choosing the right productivity suite can transform how you work seamlessly without confusion. Microsoft 365 offers cloud-based collaboration, while Microsoft Office is a traditional one-time purchase software package. Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Office both are essential tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. The core difference is that Microsoft 365 is a subscription service with continuous updates and cloud features, whereas Microsoft Office is a one-time purchase with fixed features. Microsoft 365 is a subscription-based productivity platform from Microsoft that includes access to Office apps, cloud services, and collaboration tools. It works by providing users with the latest versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more, all updated regularly through the cloud. Subscribers also get OneDrive storage for file sharing and real-time collaboration with colleagues anywhere. The strengths of Microsoft 365 lie in its flexibility, automatic updates, and integration across devices, making teamwork efficient and seamless. It supports both offline and online usage, syncing changes once back online. However, it requires a continuous subscription fee, which might not suit users preferring a one-time purchase. Microsoft 365 is ideal for businesses, teams, and individuals who need regular updates, cloud access, and collaboration features. It also suits users who want to work across multiple devices without worrying about software obsolescence. Microsoft Office is the classic productivity suite offered as a one-time purchase, providing desktop versions of essential apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Once purchased, users install the software on their computer and own that version indefinitely without ongoing fees. Microsoft Office works offline and does not require internet access for core functions. Its strengths include a fixed cost, no subscription commitment, and reliable performance for users who prefer standalone software. However, it lacks cloud-based features, real-time collaboration, and automatic updates beyond security patches. This means users manually upgrade to newer versions if desired. Microsoft Office is best suited for individuals or organizations that want full control over their software without recurring costs and do not need cloud syncing or frequent feature updates. It is also a good option for users with limited internet access or those who prefer traditional desktop applications. Comparing Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Office highlights key trade-offs. Microsoft 365 excels in cloud integration, automatic updates, and collaboration, making it perfect for teams working remotely or across devices. For example, a marketing team can co-author documents in real time and store files securely on OneDrive. On the other hand, Microsoft Office, a one-time purchase with offline access and predictable costs, ideal for users who prioritize stability and do not require cloud features. A freelance writer working primarily on a single device might prefer Office for its simplicity and ownership. While Microsoft 365 provides ongoing value through updates and services, it requires a subscription. Microsoft Office offers a straightforward, perpetual license but lacks modern cloud capabilities. Choosing depends on whether you value continuous innovation and collaboration or prefer a fixed, offline software solution. Microsoft 365 is recommended for users needing cloud access, collaboration, and frequent updates, especially teams and professionals working across multiple devices. Microsoft Office suits users who prefer a one-time purchase and offline use without subscription fees. Consider your workflow and collaboration needs carefully to choose the best fit for your productivity and budget. Both suites deliver powerful tools tailored to different work styles.